The acceptance of the end wills the means. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and your dimensionally greater self will determine the means. When you appropriate a state as though you had it, the activity of the day will divert your mind from all anxious thoughts, so that you do not look for signs. You do not have to carry the feeling that some presence is going to do it for you. Rather, you know it is already done. Knowing it is already a fact, walk as though it were, and things will happen to make it so. You do not have to be concerned about some presence doing anything for you. The deeper, dimensionally greater you has already done it. All you do is move to the place where you encounter it. Remember the story of the man who left the master and was on his way home when he met his servant, who said, "Your son lives." And when he asked at what hour it was done, the servant replied, "The 7th hour." The self-same hour that he assumed his desire, it was done for him. For it was at the 7th hour that the master said, "Your son lives." Your desire is already granted. Walk as though it were. And although time beats slowly in this dimension of your being, it will nevertheless bring you confirmation of your assumption. I ask you not to be impatient, though. If there is one thing you really have need of, it is patience. Because your desire to change has not been aroused. If you would fall in love with what you really want to be, you would become it. It takes an intense hunger to bring about a transformation of self. As the hart panteth after the water brooks, so panteth my soul after thee, O Lord. If you would become as thirsty for perfection as the little hart is for water, that it braves the anger of the tiger in the forest, you would become perfect.